In 2025, owning a pet will be hassle-free. No more worries about cleaning up after them, no concerns about pet illnesses, and no fear of them causing chaos at home. This AI-powered smart pet offers incredibly realistic companionship, simulating 98% of real tactile feedback. Its fur is addictively soft, and it will act playfully and roll around when you pet its head. The purring is so lifelike that you might think you have a real furry friend. You can customize the type of pet you want and take it anywhere you go, pack it in your suitcase for business trips or carry it in your bag on dates, enjoying pet companionship anytime, anywhere. The first 100 customers can even enjoy a slot for exclusive customization. Opportunities are limited, so click the link to purchase now.